One shift, one risk engine, one protection layer. When risk strikes, MicroShield turns it into action.
Hello judges, we are Team Dhumketu Coders and our project is MicroShield AI. So imagine if you're a delivery driver, you don't have a fixed salary, some days you earn 500 and some days 1500. You work whenever demand is high and you're exposed to accidents, vehicle breakdowns and extreme weather. But traditional insurance isn't really designed around this kind of unpredictable work. So we asked one simple question. What if insurance could understand how a gig worker actually works? There where MicroShield AI comes in. So I will show you the product. So this is the login page. You can just directly sign in from Google. We have already integrated the Google inside it. After the integration is done, you will be landing to a form page where you can fill the form in this. So you can say you have just filled the form. You just have to take the information about you. So if you fill the information, you just have to take your age, your city, and what occupation, continue, which platform you work for, continue, which vehicle you use, continue, it is owned, yes it is, the primary area is Mumbai itself, continue, and how much do you work, approx 10,000, continue, is the income stable, no, it's variables, and continue. And this is the location that is directly fetched by your location. So okay, we have used location API, and this Shield AI is thinking and it gives a complete profile analysis and the key insights and how what you're working on it. Okay, when you just click on dashboard, you will be redirected toward this dashboard. Okay, when you react it, you will just see a front end. You can see a messages coming that AI sentient alert. So you can say there is a it is telling you that there is weather is so risky, so you don't have a protection active in it. So what you just click on simulate this button, and you can say that extreme weather detected. You should have worker you are working in an affected area, but you don't have a protection plan active. Okay, so when you just click on this active protection, you will be taken to a place you can choose a protection plan. This is like an insurance plan, so you can just choose it. So when you choose plan, you just review your plan and just activate your plan. You just have to pay 0.72% a day to activate this plan. So what this plan does, okay, you are using the Porsche, you are using the border area, and it will contain stimulate external weather. So it will analyze the weather and tell that it is extremely hot, but you are active have a protection plan. Okay. So after that, you can see this is the dashboard, and this is Shield AI. When you ask Shield AI, it will analyze the current situation and give you a response that will tell you which plan you should choose. So if you consider when you go to protection page, you can see your active form, and when you go to risk page, this will tell you the current risk score which are working in your area. After that, this is the most important page, that is claim. If you consider you have an accident, okay, you just file a claim. This is a demo, so we do the simulated incident. So after the simulation incident, this is the incident itself. This is a demo type. When you just click on run AI verification, the AI will run the verification. You can see your policy is active, recommendation approved. You will see out the payment, and you will get payment directly initiated in your wallet. Now consider if you don't have a plan, okay, you don't have a plan, you again go to wallet, you just file a claim, again simulate incident, and run AI verification. Now you can see policy not active, recommendation rejected. So you won't get the claim on this. Okay, so you can say that's the reason you should always have a prediction plan on, so that way you can have a claim. Okay, after that, this is the location. This will tell you the current location and weather, so that can be extremely helpful for gig worker. And this is the profile page. And when you click on update location, it will navigate to your latest location. After that, you can see the dashboard is very much fertilized. So you can see when you start work, okay, when you start work, your earnings start increasing. It's like a second, 1 second is equal to 1 rupees, right? And we have said that. And you can see when you click on stimulate external work, okay, this will analyze your shift condition. And you can see you're working in an extreme weather condition. So it will give you a claim. Because you're working in this claim, you will get a claim. So you can review wallet and you have a claim approved. That's the power of insurance. Whenever you are working in a high, and when you just see this earning, when you just click on in work, your work earnings will be saved in a work activity. Everything what we use here is all data coming from the user. It's that there is no mock data. All this data is stored in a database where you can see there is a table editor where all the data has been stored. This is all a prototype data. All the data, all the claim numbers have been stored here. So that's how the micro AI should work. It helped the gig workers to get insurance, so they don't have to roam here and there to claim the insurance. Okay, all in this one place. And there's one more thing. If there is an incident happen, we can do it. What if we have to do a medical claim? You are directed in a hospital, so you can just write the description here where you did, like, just put anything here. Okay, you just put the date and the stuff here, data, and just upload and just analyze claim. Just analyze a claim. I have not uploaded anything, so it will just say zero evidence sufficiency. So this also is analyzed by AR through OCR, and this is you just submit for review, and you can say you are CUI. This is working. So we have incident. This is, you can say, active claims. You have just you can know your status. So this is how we implemented in this micro AI. So that's it. Thank you from our side. We are team. We are team Dhumketu Chorus. Thank you.